Welcome back, fitness enthusiasts and desk warriors. Are you ready to take your workday to the next level? Today, we've got something exciting for you. Don't miss out. Check the links in the description to grab your favorite Under Desk Treadmill and revolutionize the way you work. Stay active, stay productive. Hit that subscribe button and join us for more exciting content. We're diving into the top 5 Under Desk Treadmills of 2024. Yes, you heard it right. The ultimate solution to keep you active while nailing those deadlines. At number 5, we have the Sunny and Health Fitness Slim Walking Pad. Sleek, compact, and perfect for your workspace, this treadmill is a game changer. What if I told you you could crush your work goals and fitness milestones simultaneously? Introducing the Sunny Health and Fitness Slim Under Desk Tread Pad, an absolute game changer. Check this out. Sleek, compact, and designed to fit seamlessly under your desk, this treadmill transforms your workspace into a fitness zone. Measure your progress in real time. The large digital monitor tracks your time, speed, calories burned, steps, and distance. Plus, with the remote control, you're in charge of the intensity. Need a workout pace that suits you? No problem. With speeds ranging from 0.5 to 3.75 miles per hour, this treadmill ensures a consistent and tailored exercise experience. Say goodbye to joint strain. Built-in shock absorbers cushion your steps, keeping your knees and joints feeling great, even during intense sessions. And safety? It's got you covered. Automatic pause if no one's on it for 5 seconds. Smart, right? Efficiency at its finest. Smart power-saving mode kicks in after 10 minutes of inactivity, saving energy without missing a beat. For your peace of mind, remember to use it as suggested, under a desk or next to a stable object for balance. Ready to upgrade your work and fitness game? Click the link in the description and grab your Sunny Health and Fitness Slim Under Desk Tread Pad now. Moving on to number 4, the Egit 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. Its versatility at its finest, switch between walking and running without compromising space. What if I told you there's a treadmill that adapts to your speed, your space, and your style? Introducing the Egit 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill, your ultimate fitness companion that's as versatile as you are. Check this out. With 2 modes, this treadmill is a game changer. Fold the riser for a gentle jog or raise the handrail for a full-on run. Powered by a quiet 2.25 HP motor, this treadmill lets you work out without disturbing a soul. Say goodbye to noisy workouts. Step onto the spacious, non-slip running belt for a comfortable and safe run. Plus, the LED display keeps track of your time, speed, distance, and calories burned, giving you real-time progress updates. Connect your phone via Bluetooth and enjoy your favorite tunes as you sweat it out. Use the phone holder for entertainment or chatting while you exercise. And with the remote control and smart app integration, you're in total control of your workout. And the best part? It's hassle-free. This compact, foldable design with built-in wheels makes it a breeze to move and store, saving you space and time. Ready to elevate your fitness game with the Egit 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill? Click the link in the description to get yours now. Stepping up to number 3, we've got the Lifespan TR1200 DT3. Tailored for professionals like you, it's all about durability and performance. Imagine getting your steps in while acing those work goals. Well, meet the Lifespan Fitness Glow Up Under Desk Walking Pad Treadmill. Get ready to elevate your workspace into a fitness haven with this ultra-portable treadmill. Check out the LED display, keeping you informed with speed, time, distance, and calories burned, all within your grasp. Perfect for a productive yet active day. Silent power. With a 2.5 HP motor and a remarkable weight capacity, you can stride confidently without disturbing a pin drop silence. Say hello to portability. Compact and lightweight, this treadmill fits snugly under desks or easily stows away, making it your go-to choice for a workout on the go. Quick start. No fuss with assembly, use it straight out of the box. Plus, the added wheels make moving this treadmill a breeze. Convenience at its finest. Your safety matters. The IntelliGuard technology ensures automatic pausing when you step away, enhancing safety and peace of mind during your work sessions. Ready for a seamless work and workout experience? Click the link in the description to grab your Lifespan Fitness Glow Up Under Desk Walking Pad Treadmill today. At number 2, behold the Walking Pad S1 Folding Treadmill. Compact, sleek, and designed for maximum efficiency. What if I told you your next workout could be as seamless as your workday? Enter the Walking Pad S1 Folding Treadmill, a game changer in the world of ultra-compact fitness equipment. Foldable and sleek, this treadmill's design lets it slip effortlessly under desks, sofas, or beds, making it a perfect fit for your compact living spaces. Plug and play or manual control. The choice is yours. Operate it with a remote control or by using your footstep, a treadmill that adapts to your pace effortlessly. Silent strides. With a wear-resistant, anti-slip belt and noise reduction tech, enjoy your walk or jog without disturbing anyone around you. Fitness without disruptions. Stay secure and stay motivated. Child lock, overload protection, and more, this walking pad has your safety covered. Plus, track your progress via the KS Fit app or the LED dashboard for that extra push. Ready to revolutionize your home workout or office routine? Click the link in the description to get your Walking Pad S1 Folding Treadmill today. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the #1 spot goes to the Egit Walker Plus, M1T. This treadmill redefines comfort, style, and functionality, making it the ultimate choice. What if I told you your next big fitness step is closer than you think? Meet the Egit Walker Pro/Plus smallest Under Desk Treadmill, a powerhouse in a compact package, perfectly designed for your home or office setup. Small but mighty, this treadmill is tailored to fit under adjustable desks, bringing health and productivity hand in hand. Fitness goals meet reality. Achieve your exercise targets effortlessly while working. Its solid steel structure supports up to 254 pounds, ensuring durability for years to come. Boost your workout. Our 5% incline design adds intensity without added time or speed, maximizing your calorie burn and elevating your fitness game. Control at your fingertips. With both remote and app control, tailor your workout to your liking, seamlessly integrating fitness into your busy schedule. Ready to stride towards a healthier you? Click the link in the description to get your Egit Walker Pro/Plus smallest Under Desk Treadmill now. Whether you're a remote worker or an office champion, these Under Desk Treadmills are your ticket to a healthier work-life balance. Don't miss out. Check the links in the description to grab your favorite Under Desk Treadmill and revolutionize the way you work. Stay active, stay productive. Hit that subscribe button and join us for more exciting content. Until next time, stay motivated and keep moving. See you soon.